Hey everybody, Eric here from LabFix, back at it again with another repair. We got in this A1534, I believe it's a 2017 space gray MacBook. You see, it just says MacBook there. It doesn't say MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. It's one of these very nice ones. At least it's very nice, compact, and they're always a pain to work on, no matter what. So that's why it's in here for repair. It's not powering on, and there seems to be an issue. So let's actually see what the problem is and get right into it. This one always has the fun little trap in here, because if you rip it off, you can rip it off. So when you open it, there's a keyboard connection, and we need to undo the keyboard connection for it. And what we like to do is maybe we like to put a little pick underneath it so it's not making any metal contacts there. It's going to be like a little bit lifted. So we can do that. Just to make sure the battery is fully disconnected there. See that? Now we're good. Now we can undo the rest of it. Okay, so we remove the board. We're going to go analyze it and see maybe what the issue is. Okay, let's see if we can see anything obvious. Whoa, you guys can't see anything. Oh, jeez. That focus. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and see. So this is the IC that converts your 5 volts to 20 volts. So sometimes this does have a problem, or especially if it's near the connection. Looks pretty healthy. No liquid spill, no obvious shorts here. It's a very small board. Everything's integrated into this one. The CPU, GPU, RAM, SSD, everything's here. So if you want to power this on, you have to get that. This looks pretty clean, but we know sometimes these can also have issues with the cable as well. And let me go ahead and bring over that cable here. This is your USB-C cable. We should have a few videos about maybe fixing them as well. And that does not look good. See that? That's completely shredded there. So there's two things we can most likely do, because this looks like this is the major problem. This looks really bad. I'm not sure what was happening there. So even on the other side, it looks absolutely terrible. You can actually see all the little points that it should be. It should probably be more up here, and this looks like it got absolutely ripped. Okay, but we should actually have this one actually in stock. Let's go ahead and see if we can just replace it and go from there. Okay, so we did replace the jack, and of course, it's never that easy of a problem, never that simple. There was still a short there, and you can see this component is actually getting hot. This is the CD3215, regulates the voltage from the 5 to 20, and what we need to do is do a replacement on it. So we did remove it, and we need to actually clean up, because this is a BGA chip. We need to actually clean off all the old solder, and we need to make sure that's going to be fine. We used a little bit of flux here. You can see the hot iron. It's going to help remove it, so we can actually put in a brand new chip that's going to be actually working fine. So we have to do a replacement on it, because most likely if you're plugging in and out while there's so much damage to that jack, it's going to short out something else, and of course that's what it did here. So we're just going to be cleaning up. We're going to do a full replacement on it. It's very delicate work to be doing this. But obviously, yep, we have the tools and we can actually do it. So we're cleaning it up. We're going to make sure that we can put in the new one totally fine. We don't want to have any of the old solder. This one's a bit tricky too, because everything is so close together, and we need to put some Kapton tape. There's a lot of plastic. There's a lot of different connections there close to it, so we need to be careful, but it looks good, and let's go ahead and test it out. 20 volts here, as you can see. 1.3 amps. Let's, alright, it does come on. Just blur it up. That came on really fast, but we'll blur this out because that's obviously the customer name. Should track by everything's going. Yep, there we go. Okay, looks to be good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this A1534. Started the DC jack problem. Now we're here. Well, but we have the A1534. We fixed the jack. But that's why if you ever have a problem with the jack, it's not charging, definitely try not to play with it as much as you can, because it's not only going to damage the jack here, you're going to damage something else that's actually inside. This goes for any type of device, not just a MacBook, but any type of electronic device in there, because most likely you're going to maybe touch two different pins together, touch metal to metal. You don't want to do that. You can short something else out. You can see how much work that does get involved just because of that problem. If you probably would have stopped here at the start, maybe, just maybe, nothing else would actually fail, then there wouldn't be a problem. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like. Really just help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. See you guys next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.